Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels for today's price action. Before that, let us look at the dollar index, which will help us to understand the trend of the price action in gold. I'm in 4 hours time frame of dollar index. When we look at the current trend of the price action, we can clearly notice that it is in a bearish trend and it doesn't have enough momentum to retrace up to the previous resistance line. Currently it is trading within a bearish channel pattern. I have drawn a support line and a resistance line on a bearish trend. And when we mark the major support and resistance levels, so the price action has to break the resistance level of 105 if it wants to start its bullish side retracement. Again, we have a bearish channel pattern resistance line running over here, which it has to break if it wants to continue further on the bullish side retracement. So for the current price action, 105 is acting as a very strong resistance, and the current trend of the price action 4 hours time frame is on a bearish trend or in a retracement. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is on a sideways momentum trading between the resistance level of 105 and support level of 104. So overall, when we look at the price action, it is trading on a bearish trend, but the current trend of the price action is in a sideways momentum or a range bound price action. So we must notice a similar price action in gold also. Let us begin our analysis in gold. I'm in daily time frame of gold, US dollar, currency pairs, and previously, as we already know, it was on a bearish trend, and after taking support around the support level of 1615, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And I have marked the Fibonacci levels connecting the previous low and previous high, and from the location where it started its bullish side retracement. And here we can clearly notice that it has retraced up to the 0.5%, which is around 1810, and we are noticing the price action to move on a sideways momentum trading within this resistance level of 1810 and support level of 1765 or 64. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, and based on this price action, it is very clear that the current trend is still in a bullish trend, but after testing the resistance level of 1810, we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this resistance and support level. It has not made new highs or it has not made new lows. It is on a sideways momentum similar to the price action we have noticed in DXY. So the price action has to break this resistance level of 1810 if it wants to continue its bullish side retracement, or the price action has to break the support level of 1764 in order to make a bearish side trend reversal in daily time frame. For now, the price action is trading on a bullish trend and the bullish side momentum has been arrested for now. Let us see if it gives a breakout on the bearish side or whether it gives a breakout on the bullish side. Currently 1765 is acting as a very strong support, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish side retracement to start. Next level of support is going to be around 1705, and once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1615. And on the bullish side, only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1810, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1856. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and we know from the daily time frame that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line. And we have noticed a price action to bounce back from the resistance level of 1810, and after taking support around the support level of 1764 or 65, we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, I am going to draw a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame. and we are noticing it to trend on the bullish side. It is on a bearish side retracement now, and as long as the price action is trading above this blue color support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame also. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. And presently it is on a retracement to retest on this trend line or the support line. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1781, 1774 and 1764. And if the price action takes support on this trend line or the support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1786, 1791, 1798 and 1808. And as long as the price action is trading within this resistance and support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. Again, when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, after taking support on this trend line from the hourly time frame, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Now we are noticing it to bounce back from the resistance line from the hourly time frame on a bearish side retracement. I have drawn a trend line or a support line to understand the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame. It has clearly given a breakout from this trend line and it is on a bearish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading below this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is taking support on the support level of 1785. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1781, 1778, 1775, 1773, 1772 and 1769. And if the price action breaks this trend line or the resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1719. For now, the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish side retracement. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has taken support around the support level of 1784, and if this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1783, 1781, 1779 and 1776. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance 1787 and 1790. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.